So guys, finally we are inside the train, and the good thing, not so many people inside here, so it's very easy and comfortable to vlog. And the train really looks big. Look inside. It's very beautiful. Wow. So it's really nice over here, and at least guys, we're gonna have the experience. It's just like me, the train. So this train, I think it's a little bit big, which I really like, and it's very nice. So in the section, this is number 2, then number 1 is on the other side. It's a really big one. So guys, how do you feel? How do you feel about the train? Because for me, I'm feeling very happy and very nice, because this is my first time to be inside the train, so it's super nice. And also behind here, you can see here, let me show you, there's a board here, you can read this. At least it shows you where you are at right now. So it's super exciting. I can even stand and vlog. Oh, it's so nice. This is the best experience ever. Not so many people, so it's easy, very easy to vlog. So guys, let me know what you think about this, and if you like this kind of videos, I will do a lot of these videos. So just hit the subscription button and join the family. My hand is getting, so I think some people are coming in, which is very nice. You see, you can even get in with the scooter. It's crazy. Guys, I didn't tell you this. Do you know what happened? I'm sitting here waiting for the person to check, the person who is supposed to check my ticket, because we bought the ticket online. So you see, like in the bus, when you get in, they want to see your ticket. Here, nobody's coming to ask me for the ticket. So I'm like, okay, how does it go here? How does it work over here? So guys, I'm so excited. And I'm just curious. I want to see, and it's very comfortable because right now it's moving. It feels even more comfortable than a plane, guys. This is really nice experience, and this train is very clean. Guys, it's really nice. Oh, so I'm super excited, and also something which is making me very excited, which makes me very excited. At least not so many people in the train, so it's very easy for me to record my video and document this, guys. So let's meet in Paris. Maybe I'll show you a little bit.
Take the right at the station. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So guys, some people are coming in. You see those kids, I think they are going to school. But now I can't even hear, I can't even understand what they're talking about. I can't even, yeah, everybody, yeah, they're speaking in French, so it's really difficult. So yeah, I think that's the other door. So guys, I think there's nothing much to vlog about. It's just the chairs and sitting here and watching, and people coming and going out. Yeah, and to see how the train look like, and it is really very nice and clean, and I really like it a lot. And also with my recording of the videos, it's very easy for me right now because not so much attention. So I'm kind of having fun, and I hope guys by the time you will be watching this video, you too gonna have fun. So I think that's the guy who is supposed to check my ticket or the tickets. So I'm super excited, and I can't wait to get to Paris, guys. And from there, again, I vlog a little bit, and that's gonna be it. So stay tuned, watch the video, and enjoy the train. So I didn't tell you the price. From here to Paris, going and coming back, it's around, we paid 74 euros. So it's quite, for me I think it's expensive, but it's okay. It's very comfortable, and you feel really comfortable. So for me, it's okay. And also from here to Paris is around 2 hours, so we're gonna be here for 2 hours, so it's a long journey. It's only that there's nothing much to vlog about or to talk about, but it's really nice. So I think right now I'm gonna go live on TikTok and say hi to my people, show them the train. So comment down below, let me know your first experience in the train, because for me I find it very exciting and very nice, because sometimes when I used the plane when I was coming here in France, or when I was going to Kisumu, it was quite difficult for me because I was feeling kind of weird, but this one is more comfortable. My first experience is really good. I really like it a lot. But now my problem, everybody's going out. I don't even know what's going on, but I know I have to stay here for 2 hours, so it's not a big deal. So guys, we are finally here in Paris, and it was 2 hours. So we're just getting off. Then from there we go to the appointment. Hi, so finally we are in Paris. This is our train, but I'm not even sure where I'm going to. So from here, I'm gonna take a taxi to the Kenya embassy, where I have my appointment. Then guys, from there we come back. So maybe I'll show you later when I come back what's going on over here. So stay tuned, subscribe, and watch all the videos. So bye. Maybe I will record a little bit when I will be going back to my village. And thank you so much for watching. See you again later on our next video. Maybe I should get here and take a photo. So I think there you are. You need to buy something. So guys, I'm trying to figure out where I'm supposed to go out. Which exit? But I think I'm gonna go this way.